Hello, our lovely learners. I used to drive a car, but I don't now. I'm used to living in the city center. I get used to drinking coffee free from sugar as it is healthier. In this video, we are going to explain the difference between used to be used to, and get used to. If you need help to understand better this grammar, this video is for you. After watching this video, to boost your grammar skills, we have a free grammar quiz to check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Let's get started. So, in this video, we're discussing expressions with used to. The first one is used to. We use used to plus infinitive to talk about past routines or states which don't exist anymore in the present, or things which were true but are not in the present. For example, when I was at school, I used to have short hair. I might add that now I have long hair. I used to wear dresses. Talking about this, I mean that in the past I wore dresses, but now I don't. So I use this expression used to. This space has been transformed into a fitness center. It used to be a cafe. When we build a negative sentence, we use didn't use to. He didn't use to play chess. She didn't use to drink coffee with sugar. When we build questions, we put did before the subject, and after that we put use to. Did he use to play chess when he was a child? Did she use to drink coffee with sugar? These were examples of the expression used to. Don't be confused with other expressions to be used to and to get used to. To be used to is something that is not new for me. It is a routine. For example, I have found a new job. I'm used to getting up earlier. I have got a new job, but due to the different time zone, I'm still struggling with it because I'm not used to working late. We don't live in the city center, so we are not used to living in the noisy streets. Pay attention. After to be used to, we use the verb with the ending ing. So expressions with to be used to shows that I'm familiar with it. I'm comfortable with it. On the other hand, to get used to means that we are in the process of having a routine of doing something. We are still trying to be comfortable with what is new for us. When I moved abroad, it was challenging to get used to the local cuisine. I will get used to getting up earlier as I have found a new job. After to get used to, we use the verb with the ending ing. Let's summarize what we have studied today. Used to. It is always about the past routine, a long activity. There is no connection to the present. To be used to. It is the present. I'm familiar with something, and it is not a strange thing for me anymore. It is your routine. To get used to. It is a process of having a routine. You don't have it yet, you will get it in the future. I hope this explanation was helpful for you. Now for the quiz. Please follow the link in the video description to do the grammar tasks and check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.